Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Morningstar MC6 or MC6 Pro Midi controller and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this controller not working or not connecting to your devices or anything like that, if it seems to be frozen and not responding, a lot of that stuff can be fixed with a hard reset. Now the second reason is if you just want to, all your presets and configurations and everything, you're not going to undo them manually. You just want to wipe everything off in one go and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box for any reason. We can go ahead and do that really easily. We just need to access the global menu, and we do that by pressing D and F at the same time. And then once we do that, that'll open the global menu, and we can scroll down until we find reset, and then from there you'll select factory reset, and then you'll go through it, give you a little disclaimer like you'll have to confirm with a yes, and it will reset. And once it's reset, you can go ahead and turn it back on and set it up as a new device.